So we announced the results last week. Previously, we'd done what's called cytotestimal, which were based on RC samples, a 24-hour, 48-hour bottle roll test. Those results indicated very high gold recoveries, around 95%, but it was important as part of our negotiation with Goldfields to do what's called detailed metallurgical test work. We drilled 4 dedicated diamond holes. The core from those diamond holes was then subject to test work to mirror, to simulate the Goldfields process flow at their nearby St Ives plant, which, just as a reminder, is only 7 kilometres away from the deposit. So those results came in. We announced those last week. Excellent results. Most importantly, in terms of leveraging off that relationship with Goldfields, the P80 passing 150 micron, a bit technical, but that's the grind size that the block is ground down to at the Goldfields plant. That produced 91% recovery after 12 hours and nearly 95% recovery after 24 hours. And that's important because the plant that we intended to send that material to typically has a time of 18 to 20 hours. So the early test work was excellent, 95%. This test work was 91 to 94 and a bit percent. And really importantly, in our recent scoping study, we only used 90.5%. So we've delivered results that support our assumptions in our financial modelling and give us great confidence to moving ahead with Goldfields. The beauty of Lady Herial, in fact, of all of our tenements up at Kambalda on our Foster Baker project, they're all granted mining leases. They've had nearly 60 years of historic mining disturbance. They've been cleared by our traditional owner group, the Naji. They've walked the ground, they've cleared the Lady Herial site for development. All of those development submissions have gone into the department for approval to start Lady Herial. So we're on granted ends. The regulatory hurdles to get those approvals are pretty short. And of course, Goldfields are our major shareholder, nearly 31% shareholder, and they own this plant right next door. So the metallurgy is looking really good. The permitting and regulatory side's looking really good. It's been cleared by traditional owners. It really is now a question of sitting tight, waiting until we get the results, get the approvals, and then forge ahead with Goldfields. Realistically, Lady Herial is quite small to modest. It's about 29,000 ounces in its mineral resource. The open pit we're planning to mine is about 18,000 ounces. So it is quite small. It struggles maybe to get the attention of the market, but importantly, as our gene scoping study demonstrates, it has the potential to put a lot of cash in short time into the Lunnon Metals account. So it's really important. We're seeing it as a springboard for growth. So while it's small, it will cash us up. It will give us the opportunity to be way more aggressive with our drilling than we have been. And if we find more Lady Herials, that can go down the same pathway, potentially Goldfields. But what we're really after is something big, significant, something that grabs the market's attention. Putting this cash in the bank is the first step to do that. So it's a springboard for growth. It's not the be all and end all.